we have a sander deal, and you get a free tool. Don't forget, or free reciprocating saw. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon, so we can buy more tools like this, make more tool review videos. That's the way YouTubers are platform, by subscribers and likes. Big shout out to Joe the Tool Guy. He just posted this about, I would say, about an hour, 2 hours ago. I'm just posting this for my subscribers or whoever wants to join on the deals. Guys, he posted that this sander had a free tool with it. I'm not seeing it here on my website. So if you look at it, I'll leave the link down below in the description section to the other sander, which does include this. But yeah, he actually did a free deal with this sander. So if you want this sander, the Orbital, try it on your phone, try it on the website, try it on the app, try it on a computer, and see if you can get that deal with the free reciprocating saw. On this one, I just got this deal on this sander here. So, and it's for $99. So what you do is you come here, and then you look for the free gift, and then you add both to cart, I believe. See, it's not even, lit. Okay, so added both to cart. Subtotal $198, viewing cart. And once you go to the cart here, $99, guys. So you're paying $99 for the sander, and you're getting the free. I apologize for that. Somebody keeps texting me. All right, so yeah, you're getting the reciprocating saw for free, and you're just paying $99 for the sander. So if you guys want this deal, I believe this is not the brushless. This is just a brushed reciprocating saw. It's just a normal reciprocating saw that they have. It's the older one of the older ones that they have. It's a great reciprocating saw. My brother has this one. It works great. So anyways, that's it for today. I'll leave the link down below in the description section for this deal. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon, and we'll see you guys on the next one. Oh, and big shout out to the Joe the Tool Guy for posting that.